Manager of Lumta Agency Petrol Pump, Hamren appeals the citizens of Hamren for their cooperation as the renovation and beautification of petrol pump takes place. Manager of Lumta Agency Petrol Pump, Hamren, while speaking to us, informed that the service would be available from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily. And in case of emergency purposes, the manager must be notified pre-9 p.m. through telephonic conversation for refueling the petrol or diesel tanks.
6 a.m. to 9 p.m.
तो प्रोटेक्ट दिन ना
कुछ इमरजेंसी के लिए रात कुछ है क्या?
ऐसे तो अभी हम लोग नहीं रखता है कुछ, लेकिन थाना वाला को, प्रेस वाला को दे दिया जाएगा अगर 9 बजे से पहले फ़ोन करेगा तब। 9 बजे से पहले फ़ोन करके रखेगा जहाँ आना है, हम आएगा, हमको तेल चाहिए तो रखेगा।
Citizens of Hamren express their dissatisfaction over the new rules laid by the manager of the petrol pump. Says, fueling services must be available for 24/7 hours. As no one can predict what situation lies ahead, one can see the number of cars increment at the region. In case of medical emergencies at midnight and the ailing patient died due to unable to find petrol pump to refill the tank for transportation, then the agency would be held responsible. Also appeals the intellectuals of the region to pay heed into this matter to ensure 24/7 services for the welfare of the general public. Daniel in his report from Hamren for Curbing Long Life.